Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Pinterest app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you will enter here. Then you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.